Now, during the last lecture, we discussed about the nucleophilic substitution reactions by replacing halogen atom in case of alkyl halides by a different type of the nucleophiles. We get the several type of the products. Now see what are SN reaction mechanism. You know that substitution nucleophilic reactions means if the replacement of one atom or group is replaced or substituted by another nucleophile is called as the nucleophilic substitution reactions. Now see term what is mechanism of the SN reaction. So it is the step-by-step description of reactants during the conversion of the reactant into the products. It is the step-by-step description of the reactions during the conversion of reactant into the product. Okay, suppose this is the reactant A and this is the product B. Then conversion of A into the B. Okay, this is we call as the reaction. Okay, so how this A is converted into B by using several steps. Okay, this is called as the mechanism. एखाद्या रिएक्टंटचं प्रोडक्ट मध्ये कन्वर्शन होत असताना रिएक्टंट पासून ते प्रोडक्ट मिळेपर्यंत जे होणारे चेंजेस आहेत जे बदल आहेत त्याचं प्रत्येक स्टेप बाय स्टेप वर्णन म्हणजे मेकॅनिझम. ओके, नाउ ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ द kinetic study or kinetic experiment, you know that kinetic experiments are useful to measure the rate of a chemical reaction. So on the basis of the rate of a chemical reaction, kinetic study of the chemical reaction, there are two types of the mechanisms. One is the SN1 mechanism and another is the SN2 mechanism. Okay, first we discuss about the SN2 mechanism. SN2 mechanism, and then we discuss about the SN1 mechanism. So SN2 mechanisms here, S is the substitution, N is the nucleophile, and 2 stands for the reaction is the bimolecular reaction. Bimolecular reaction. That is, if the rate of the reaction is depends on the concentration of the two reactants or both the reactants participating in the reaction, then we call use the letter 2. Okay, so example of the SN2 reaction mechanism is the alkaline hydrolysis of say methyl bromide. Alkaline hydrolysis of methyl bromide or bromomethane. We take the example here. Now see what is the reaction takes place here. Simply methyl bromide plus either use NaOH or KOH, that is nucleophile is attacks on the methyl bromide which replace the bromine atom and you get alcohol is the main product plus Br minus get replaced there. So this is the actual reaction takes place. Now when methyl bromide is treated with the nucleophile OH minus, how the formation of methyl alcohol takes place, which is given by the step-by-step description of the reactants which are converted into the products. Okay, so SN2 mechanisms here again kinetic experiment or kinetic study shows that here rate of the above reaction is directly proportional to concentration of first reactant methyl bromide as well as second reactant OH minus. Okay, that is, to cancel this proportionality sign, we use one constant. Rate is equal to K into concentration of methyl bromide into concentration of OH minus. Okay, so this kinetic study or kinetic experiment shows that rate of the reaction is depends on the concentration of both the reactants, that is CH3Br and OH minus ions. Hence, it is the nucleophilic substitution by molecular reaction. It is nucleophilic substitution by molecular reaction. Okay. Now see how this actual reaction takes place. We see detail in the mechanism or see in silent pictures. Here silent pictures of these reactions are salient features or characteristics of the SN2 reactions. See here, first characteristics, this reaction mechanism is the single step reaction. It is single step reaction, that is bond breaking and new bond forming in this mechanism takes place simultaneously. Bond breaking and bond making or new bond forming takes place simultaneously. See here how this reaction takes place. Here, if you write simply methyl bromide and OH minus ion is attached on there, then what happens here? Here, third step is the backside attack. It takes place. Backside attack of the nucleophile in the SN2 reaction is the very important. See here, when the OH minus ions is slowly approaches towards the CBr bond, then from the front side what happens? Br is also nucleophile. So what happens? It repels. Br carries negative charge, OH also carries negative charge. So there is the repulsion takes place in between Br minus and OH minus. So what happens? Br minus, it is the bigger nucleophile, but it repels slightly OH minus ions. Hence, instead of the front side, OH minus attacks on the opposite side of the bromine atom. OH minus atom group is attached on the opposite side of the bromine. See here, there are again two reasons here. Due to the steric hindrance of the hydrogen atoms, and due to the electrostatic repulsion of the bromine atom, what happens? Backside attack takes place. So here, what happens? During the backside attack, hydrogen atoms are placed like that position, and slowly OH minus atom approaches on the electron deficient carbon atom. It forms the partial bond called as -1/2 bond, or partial bond may be shown like a delta sign. Similarly, at the same time, the bond between carbon and bromine is under fission, that is, it slowly breaks and gives Br partial negative charge or minus 1/2 charge is takes place like that. So in this case what happens? Transition state is obtained in which total 5 atoms are attached to the central carbon atom, and hence we get the high energy containing state called as the transition state. In the transition state what happens? 3 sigma bond containing the hydrogen atoms lies like that position, making and bond angle 120 degree with each other, whereas carbon, OH and CBr bonds are lies on the perpendicular to the plane. They are lies on the perpendicular to the plane. Okay. So after that what happens? Here the bond between CBr is completely broken by losing some energy, and you get carbon, OH and 3 hydrogen atoms are like that. See here, observe there. This is the living group, that is Br atom. Bond is formed by exact opposite position on the living group. That's why this type of configuration is called as the inversion of configuration. Inversion of configuration, or called as the Aldern configuration. Inversion or Aldern type of the configuration is obtained here. No doubt here 100% methyl alcohol product is obtained like that. Here 3 hydrogen atoms are lies again on the opposite side of the incoming OH group. Incoming OH group. So remember when that in the SN2 mechanism, backside attack is very important. It is a single step. In single step, this process is takes place. That is in transition state, bond breaking and bond making process takes place simultaneously. एकाच वेळेस या ठिकाणी मूळचा बॉन्ड ब्रेक होणे आणि नवीन बॉन्ड तयार होणे ट्रान्झिशन स्टेट मध्ये होत असतात. या ठिकाणी हाय एनर्जी कंटेंट असतं. लगेच काय होतं, थोड्या वेळात याच्यामध्ये कार्बन सीबीआर बॉन्ड मध्ये जो आहे तो सीबीआर बॉन्ड ब्रेक होतो, आणि ज्या बाजूने बीआर गेलेला आहे त्याच्या नेमक्या अपोजिट बाजूने या ठिकाणी तुम्हाला कॉन्फिगरेशन मिळत असतं. So you get 100% inversion of configuration or Aldern configuration. This looks like just like flipping of the umbrella. Flipping of the umbrella. So here in the point, remember that in the SN2 reaction mechanism, both the reactants decides the rate of the chemical reaction. Both the reactants decides the rate of the chemical reaction. Okay, and it is the single step mechanism. Backside attack is very important. Okay, so tomorrow we see about the SN1 mechanism. Today stop here.